So today's about having some fun. We're going to make lots of different coffees. What we want is some honest opinion.
So I'm Jonathan.
I'm Laura.
I'm Graham.
I'm Dale.
We're calling it the Presso Smart Shot.
What we should do, should all make a coffee without anyone thinking too much about it, just to get used to how the machine feels.
We've got some supermarket coffee today, Illy and Lavazza Red, and some quality coffees.
What's good? He's created a smart shot that every time it produces amazing crema. I love it. I think it solves a lot of problems that espresso machines have in the home. I mean, that is the equivalent of most coffee that I will be able to buy in a cafe.
I think in the last half hour, we'll focus on the whole notion of using this as a shot ingredient to create other stuff.
What tonic water hides and reveals works really well with what coffee has in it. This is incredible.
Let's make some espresso martinis.
Well, I'm already thinking about how we can integrate these into the business.
It's just great, and then you can easily clean it. I love it.
The whole process is just like easy peasy.
It just opens up so many opportunities to taste the coffee in a different way, and I don't think there's another machine that can sit on a kitchen counter with such a small amount of space and let you make a genuinely great espresso, milk drink, whatever. It's fantastic.